Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time we will discuss about 9 new 1000cc adventure motorcycles of 2026 that will redefine long-distance riding. One, 2026 CF Moto 1000 MTX Crafter. The 2026 CF Moto 1000 MTX Crafter stands out in the adventure world with a unique blend of capability and value. CF Moto has steadily built a reputation for offering premium features at competitive prices, and the 1000 MTX Crafter takes that philosophy to new heights. What makes the 1000 MTX Crafter compelling is its focus on real-world touring versatility. With an upright riding position, generous torque output, and a suite of rider aids including multiple ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, this is a bike built for both paved highways and winding mountain roads. On long journeys, comfort is key, and the Crafter delivers with a plush seat, adjustable windscreen, and thoughtful ergonomics that keep rider fatigue to a minimum. Whether you're cruising coastal roads or tackling gravel trails, it's a machine designed for adventurous spirits who value performance and everyday practicality. Two, 2026 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally. When you think of high-end adventure bikes, Ducati's name sits near the top of the conversation. The 2026 Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally embodies Italian passion with cutting-edge engineering. This rugged iteration of the Multistrada lineup is tailor-made for riders who crave serious off-road capability without sacrificing on-road refinement. The Rally variant boasts enhanced suspension travel, durable protective elements, and an aggressive stance that hints at its dual-purpose intent. With Ducati's renowned V4 power plant, riders enjoy smooth acceleration and strong mid-range thrust, perfect for both desert highways and rocky backcountry tracks. In true Ducati fashion, ride dynamics are elevated by advanced electronics, cornering ABS, adaptive cruise control, and customizable ride profiles. The Multistrada V4 Rally isn't just a tool for adventure, it's a statement that performance and endurance can coexist beautifully. 3. 2026 MV Agusta Enduro Veloce. MV Agusta's entrance into the adventure segment adds a layer of style and performance rarely seen outside the high-end sport bike world. The Enduro Veloce bridges the gap between exotic design and rugged capability. Every line, curve, and component embodies MV Agusta's commitment to craftsmanship. But make no mistake, beneath its striking exterior sits a potent 1000cc powertrain tuned for dynamic response across varied terrain. Its lightweight chassis and agile handling make it a joy on twisty roads, while specialized suspension and traction systems ensure confidence off pavement. This bike invites riders who appreciate not just where they're going, but how they look getting there. The Enduro Veloce proves that adventure motorcycles can be both functional machines and rolling works of art. 4. 2026 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. If there's one name synonymous with adventure riding, it's the Africa Twin. Honda continues to refine this legend with the 2026 Africa Twin Adventure Sports, elevating its capability, comfort, and reliability. This latest version builds on decades of experience, offering improved ergonomics for long days in the saddle, advanced electronics for all conditions, and impressive off-road poise. Its engine delivers a smooth yet powerful response, while refined chassis geometry inspires confidence on technical trails and open highways alike. What sets the Africa Twin Adventure Sports apart is its balance, equally at home on rocky passes as it is on paved mountain roads. For riders seeking a trustworthy partner on global journeys, this Honda remains a top contender. Five, 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250. St. Harley-Davidson expanded into adventure touring with the Pan America series, and in 2026, the Pan America 1250 ST continues to mature into a well-rounded machine. The ST version leans towards sport touring prowess while retaining true adventure capability. Powered by Harley's bespoke 1,250cc Revolution Max engine, this bike blends torque-rich performance with a smooth delivery. Its chassis and suspension are tuned for long days on the road, while rugged components and rider aids ensure it handles gravel, dirt, and unpredictable surfaces. What makes the Pan America 1250 ST unique is its character, combining Harley-Davidson's distinctive presence with technology and adventure-ready features. Whether carving twisties or embarking on coast-to-coast tours, this motorcycle offers a singular experience. Six, 2026 BMW R1300 GS. The BMW GS lineage has long dominated the adventure bike conversation, and the 2026 BMW R1300 GS pushes that legacy further. Known for its blend of power, comfort, and advanced systems, the R1300 GS is a benchmark for modern adventure bikes. BMW engineers have refined the Boxer engine for improved torque and efficiency, enhancing ride quality across all speeds. The bike's chassis and suspension are optimized for comfort and control, capable of absorbing rough terrain with grace. Technological advancements shine with BMW's suite of integrated electronics, dynamic traction control, ride-by-wire throttle, hill start assist, and multiple ride modes, all calibrated to adapt to shifting conditions. For riders seeking maximum versatility and refinement in a touring-capable 1000cc plus platform, the R1300 GS remains a top choice. Seven, 2026 Kawasaki Versys 1100. Kawasaki's Versys lineup has always championed versatility, and the 2026 Kawasaki Versys 1100 continues that tradition. Less extreme than some competitors, it excels as a do-it-all machine that tackles adventure riding without intimidating the rider. With a torquey 1,100cc engine, comfortable seating, and user-friendly ergonomics, the Versys is perfect for riders who mix weekend adventures with daily commutes. Its suspension and chassis balance, comfort, and agility, making it adaptable to highways, scenic backroads, and light off-road paths. The Versys 1100 doesn't chase outright performance, it embraces practicality, reliability, and approachable performance. For riders seeking a comfortable, capable bike that handles a broad range of riding scenarios, this Versys delivers with understated excellence. 8. 2026 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. Triumph's Tiger lineup has built a devoted following, especially among riders who value long-distance comfort and rugged performance. The 2026 Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer represents the peak of this philosophy, blending powerful performance with world-class touring capability. At its heart lies a strong triple engine that delivers effortless acceleration whether climbing mountain passes or cruising highways. The bike's sophisticated suspension, adjustable ergonomics, and progressive rider aids make it equally viable on gravel roads and distant highways. The Rally Explorer's spirit is one of boundless exploration, where no route is too daunting, no destination too remote. For those who plan journeys measured in weeks rather than hours, this Triumph promises comfort, durability, and excitement in equal measure. Nine, 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 1050DE. Suzuki's V-Strom series has always balanced adventure capability with rider-friendly design. The 2026 V-Strom 1050DE emphasizes dual terrain flexibility, offering a package that's capable off-road yet comfortable on long paved stretches. Equipped with Suzuki's proven 1000cc class engine and an intuitive suite of electronics, the 1050DE adapts to hiking trails, dirt roads, and sweeping highways with confidence. The bike's ergonomics promote a relaxed riding posture, and its suspension is tuned to absorb both bumps and high-speed undulations. What makes the V-Strom 1050DE noteworthy is its versatility. It's designed for riders who want true dual sport capability without complexity. Whether you're wrangling mountain single track or cruising scenic byways, this bike makes every mile an adventure.